Honorable Chief Minister that the old Ribandar Hospital was Asia's first medical school, which was set up in 1867. That hospital has a history, so has the building. The building is a heritage building and this has to be maintained. So this has been all told to the Honorable Chief Minister, and I am very confident that the Chief Minister will do what is good for Ribandar and the adjoining villages.
Okay.
One more thing is that जेन्ना MLA assurance तुमकां दिले तुमी मेळ्ळे तांकां still त्यांनी तुमकां दिसना ते करतले
No.
I just one more thing to add. You don't have trust on MLA.
No, it is not that. We had sought appointments with the MLA. We had also sought, in fact, the appointment with the Chief Minister was sought a month ago, and then the Honorable Chief Minister was under quarantine. So we have also sought an appointment with the Health Minister and so also with the Chief Secretary. Now, our main aim today was to request the Chief Minister that he should kindly make all the funds available, because the Honorable Chief Minister, as the Finance Minister, is responsible for releasing the funds. So we have requested him that there is no shortage of funds for the medical center.
Even today the Health MLA has set up an inspection along with
Yes.
the Health
Health
Minister.
Minister.
Yes, in fact,
Don't you think so? It is a positive step.
It is a positive step. In fact, the Honorable MLA spoke to me yesterday afternoon, and he informed me that he had discussed the health care center issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister had agreed to it, and that he had also discussed the thing with the Health Minister, and that he would inspect the old Ribandar Hospital along with Health Department officials and GMC officials. So I think that inspection, according to the news just come in, says that it will happen today at 3:30.
So you also appreciate the stand taken by the MLA then?
Yes, of course. In fact, he clarified because we met the Honorable MLA on the 9th. On the 10th, there was some news in the section of the press that the center may not happen because of a financial crunch. But the Honorable MLA has clarified to me yesterday that he was misquoted by the section of the press, and that he stands in seeing that by hook or crook, the old Ribandar Hospital is restored with full medical facilities.
You will be visiting today?
Pardon?
You will be visiting
No,
today?
that visit is by the government. Let them visit. The Honorable Minister, Health Minister, the MLA and the officials are visiting. So let them see the place.
Since you all also, the MLA also want the same thing to happen, you all are also supporting the cause what MLA is doing.
Of course. We only requested the Honorable Chief Minister that there should not be a financial crunch, and where health is concerned, especially where health is concerned, no government can ever cite financial crunch as an excuse. And I'm sure the Chief Minister will do everything possible to make funds available for this project, which will be beneficial to the entire Ribandar and 7 surrounding panchayats.
ओके रुपेश बाब तुम्ही तुमचे काउन्सिलर तुम्ही आयज मेळपा आयला दोरी पूण MLA देखून तिका कितें एफर्ट्स केला ते एप्रिशिएट करता तुम्ही एज फार एज दॅट हेल्थ सेंटर इज कन्सर्न कित्याक तुमी त्याच कॉजाक तोय त्याच कॉजाक डिफरन्सिएशन नासतना सेम थिंग कितें करपाक जाय म्हणटा पळय
डिफरन्सिएशन काय ना पूण डेफिनेटली तेणें मूव केला आतां पयलें एक्चुली डे डिस्पेन्सरी आसलो आमी डे डिस्पेन्सरीचो पयलो एक्सपिरियन्स 2 फावटी घेतलेलो आसा आमचो डिमांड इतलो आसलो की डे डिस्पेन्सरी नाका इट इज फूल फ्लेज हॉस्पिटल आसुनी म्हणून सो तो तेणें मान्य केलो ही इज गोईंग फॉरवर्ड विथ दॅट वी आर हॅपी
ओके
इनिशियली तो डिस्पेन्सरी करूंक शकता 24 आवर्स मागीर उपरांत हॉस्पिटल गेलो हें म्हणटा
आतां
See, what was originally proposed was a day dispensary, and when we came to know that it is a day dispensary, we immediately approached the authorities and said that we would strongly oppose a day dispensary, because a day dispensary was already tried twice in Ribandar and it has failed. So what we have demanded, and we stand by our demand, that it should be a full-fledged health center at the old Ribandar hospital, which will eventually, step by step, the other medical facilities will come in and it will be a full-fledged hospital.
Okay.
Thank you. No, full-fledged zapak time hoitlo na. So the casual, it will start with the casualty.
24 hours.
Yeah, 24/7. Thank you.